Hey Pony Pals, it's Emma from Paint Pony Studios, and today I've got something really fun for everybody. So a couple months back, you guys probably remember that I was working on a bust, main beauty bust, of one of my original characters named Lava. Now about 10 years ago or so, I actually made a custom of the original Lava. Like, this is what she used to look like. She was actually black and red instead of black and pink and purple. And she won me second place at Breyer Fest Live back in 2010. So I decided, why not, now that I can paint a little better, do an updated Lava Stablemate. So I'm going to take some of the techniques that I used on the bust and translate it onto this Mini Croi. Now I know I don't have an exact body match, but I thought that just for the sake of both this video and Lava's spirited personality, that Mini Croi would be a perfect fit. And I haven't painted one of these yet, and I really want to. So we're going to go ahead and start with doing our purple and pink gradient. And that's going to be all airbrushed. I have a couple different paints that I'm going to use. I have an actual purple, bright purple, custom mixed hot pink, a blue to red color change, and some interference purple. I will stop when we get this gradient done. I'm going to do pink to purple with a little bit of the color change in there, and then we're going to go clear her and work on masking off those veins. Here we go. All right, so now that we have our base all painted and she's all dry, we're gonna go ahead and do some liquid masking. I know I have done some things with Cricut masking before, but we're gonna try some new techniques with this. I've played around with the liquid masking a little bit in the past couple days, but I've never done like veining, striping with it. So we're gonna go ahead and do some of that. So now we're at a point where masking has been applied. You can see there's still a little bit of a green tinge to it, but I promise it is dry. And we're going to go ahead and start airbrushing black over this. So it's going to be black and a little bit of interference purple over the top. So here we have our finished updated lava custom on the right, and the one that I did from back in 2010 on the left. As you guys can see, there's a big difference as far as skill and technique. This was actually used, this one actually used embossing powders, and lava's design has changed a lot in the probably 11 years now that I've had her. So this one was all that masking fluid, interference colors, and the color scheme has changed from black and red to black and a pink purple gradient. So she is actually getting ready to head off to her new home, but thanks everybody for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.